How to add Coinbase to Google Authenticator. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Visnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can add Google Authenticator to Coinbase or Coinbase to Google Authenticator. Either ways, in order to do so, the process is pretty simple and easy. First things first, you can head into your browser and head into coinbase.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, simply head into login.coinbase.com, log into your account. The next thing what you want to do once you're logged in is you want to head into the security option, and there you'll get the option 2FA, enable authenticator option. You want to simply go ahead and tap on enable authenticator, then it should give you the option and ask you to install the Google Authenticator app. If you haven't yet installed the Authenticator app, what you want to do is you want to simply head into your browser. You can simply search in for Google Authenticator, or it should redirect you to the link as well. You can install it and open it up. Once you do so, you can again go ahead to the prompts and add Coinbase to Google Authenticator. This is how you can add Coinbase to Google Authenticator. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.